Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Northeast Elementary School in Evergreen Park, Illinois, part of the Evergreen Park School District 124. And I just got to share my heart with the students and staff, grades K through 8, part of the Northeast Summer School program. Right here in the gymnasium, and the talk today was very heartfelt, very touching. I had a lot of great feedback from some of the students and staff that it touched their heart. And the focus kind of surrounded that topic as well, right? The primary was bullying, the sub-theme was look at the heart first. One of the slides you see on the screen, I always mention that our hearts are as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, where one finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself, but how you choose to treat them, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, right? 1, 2, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action. We can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely say something so negative that it stays on their heart in a destructive way for the rest of their life. So we always have this choice, right? And no matter what we're going through, have gone through, will go through, we know that the biggest reason that I've seen is, in my opinion, that bullying occurs is that hurt people, right? And so when we're hurt by someone else through their words, their actions, the easy thing to do is to go hurt someone right back, right? To push that pain on them. But that's not the right thing to do, right? The right thing to do is to be able to forgive, rise above that hate, still choose love, and become healed people who heal people. Easier said than done, of course, right? But it's definitely possible. And this world needs a lot more of that, a lot more kindness in general. And look, bullying is something that's repeated. It's over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time incidents, those one-time moments that we can either uplift or tear down, we have to consciously decide what we're gonna do. And I think the students really got that, right? Not just through the picture slides or the props, but the videos as well, and the positive music. All of that intertwined was trying to hit them at the heart level. And I know a lot did touch their heart, even in a short assembly like we had today. And I always say, look, if I can touch your heart in under an hour, think about the difference you can make in someone's life for the rest of this summer school and beyond, right? If you choose that. And I'm hoping they do pick up that torch, because it starts with each of us, right? That we own our own culture, and what we want to see more of, we embody. And to know that we all have this opportunity to make this world, this community, a more loving place, a more welcoming place, that's huge. So no matter how we're born, the differences that we have based on sight or hearing, skin color, the clothes we wear, the foods we eat, we can still choose to accept, right? To get past those preconceived assumptions and those judgments, and make sure that we choose to look at the heart first. Thanks for touching my heart. Had a beautiful time with all of you. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, have a great rest of this summer and going into next school year as well. And always feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.